What if AI found a wildfire before anyone else? Have you ever wondered? What if the first thing to discover a wildfire wasn't a firefighter or even a person? It sounds unbelievable, but that's exactly what artificial intelligence is beginning to do. Every year, wildfires destroy millions of acres of forest, threaten entire communities, and force thousands of people to evacuate. The problem isn't always stopping the fire. Sometimes it's simply finding it fast enough. Think about it. A wildfire usually doesn't begin as a massive wall of flames. It often starts with something much smaller, a lightning strike, a spark, a tiny plume of smoke rising through miles of wilderness where no one is around to see it. For decades, fire officials depended on lookout towers, 911 calls, pilots, or sheer luck. But artificial intelligence is changing that. Today, AI systems are constantly analyzing thermal satellite images, mountaintop camera networks, weather conditions, and other environmental data, looking for something humans might never notice: a tiny heat signature, a faint column of smoke, or a subtle change that doesn't look dangerous until it does. Here's what makes this so remarkable. A person might scan one image at a time. Artificial intelligence can analyze thousands of images from across entire regions every single day. When it detects something unusual, it immediately alerts emergency teams so they can investigate before a small ignition becomes a major wildfire. And that's important because in wildfire response, minutes matter. A fire caught while it's only a few feet across may be contained with a small crew. The same fire discovered hours later could already be racing across thousands of acres. Artificial intelligence isn't replacing firefighters. It isn't making the final decision. It's acting as an early warning system, watching vast forests around the clock, without getting tired, without blinking, and without missing areas that people simply can't watch every second of the day. Researchers are continuing to improve these systems by combining satellite imagery, AI-powered smoke detection cameras, weather forecasts, and predictive fire behavior models. Together, they're creating one of the earliest wildfire warning systems we've ever had. For generations, finding a wildfire depended on someone seeing smoke. Now, artificial intelligence may recognize the danger before most people even know there's a fire. And in a world where one tiny spark can change everything, finding it first may be the difference between a close call and a catastrophe.